Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today in SST, we will start Unit 2. The name of the lesson is Mineral Resources. In this lesson, we are going to list the minerals found in Tamil Nadu. That is iron, copper, gold. Describe the uses of the minerals. Okay, children, in this lesson, first we will see about copper. Copper is a common reddish brown metal. Copper is one of the most used minerals in today's world. They are very useful and are found naturally on the earth. Copper is very good conductor of electricity. Conductor means a substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat, and so on. Copper is used in all electrical appliances, including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Natural resources are important to us because they satisfy the daily needs of man. Clothing means the clothes that you wear. And shelter is a small building. Another widely used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Now we will see what are the uses of iron. Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced are called non-renewable resources. Natural resources means materials or substances occurring in nature. Consumed means to use something such as fuel, energy, or time. Non-renewable resources is a natural resource that cannot be readily replaced by natural. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver, and others are called mineral resources. Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, and fossil fuel resources. Is gold ore a mineral? Yes, it is. It is considered as one of the most precious mineral. Gold is extracted from gold ore. Gold extraction refers to the processes required to extract gold from its ores. That's why it is used in making jewels. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity, and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices, including mobile phones, televisions, and so on. Okay, children, today what are all the topics we saw in this lesson? We saw about copper, iron, and gold. Okay, children, that's all for today's class. Thank you. Take care. Bye.